Hello, welcome to Arab Business, brought to you by Levant TV. Lebanese Finance Minister Hasan Khalil says Prime Minister Tammam Salam is keen to discuss and approve the 2015 draft budget in the cabinet before sending it to the parliament. Speaking briefly to reporters after signing a $5.2 million loan to improve public debt management with the World Bank at the Grand Serai, Khalil underscored the need to seriously discuss and approve the 2015 draft budget in a bid to reach transparent and proper management of public funds. Egypt's pound weakened to 7.39 per dollar from 7.34 the previous day at a central bank auction, the weakest level it had been allowed to reach since auctions began in December 2012. It was the fifth official depreciation this week, prompted by the widening gap between the black market and the official rate. The bank offered $40 million and sold $38.4 million at a cutoff price of £7.39 per dollar. Moving on to Jordan, the unemployment rate stood at 12.3% for the fourth quarter of 2014, according to the Department of Statistics. The department said in its quarterly report about unemployment in the kingdom that it soared by 0.9% compared to the third quarter of the same year, when it had increased among men by 1.7%, while it decreased by 2.9% amongst women. The figures showed that joblessness was especially high among bachelor degree holders, standing at 16.8% compared with holders of other educational qualifications. The IMF says losses from lower oil exports should sap up to $300 billion from economies in the Middle East and Central Asia this year, as countries in the region adjust to falling crude prices. In an update to its outlook for the Middle East and Central Asia, the IMF said economies that are particularly dependent on oil exports, including Qatar, Iraq, Libya and Saudi Arabia, will be hit hardest by the more than 50% decline in petroleum prices. And finally, the Gulf stock markets were mixed in early trade as quarterly earnings lifted some names in the UAE, while negative news weighed on Qatar. Dubai's index added 1.5% as Dubai's Islamic Bank jumped 2.56% and Emaar Properties gained 1.3%. Abu Dhabi's benchmark edged at 0.3% as shares in Sharjah Islamic Bank surged 5.3%. Qatar's index inched down 1.27% and Oman's bourse slipped 0.1% and Kuwait was flat. For more updates, please visit Levant.tv. Thanks for watching and bye for now.